Hello, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to search for ebooks or electronic books that are available to you digitally in our FSCJ Library catalog. To begin, be sure to log in. In order to do so, you're going to sign into My FSCJ, scroll down underneath the Useful Links tile, and then click on Library and Learning Commons. And this is the screen that you'll land on. Make sure that you're signed in. Your name should appear in the upper right hand corner. If it doesn't, go ahead and click on Sign On and then SSO. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a demonstration on a basic ebook search. And for our purposes today, we're going to search the topic of Jacksonville history. So I'm going to go ahead and type in my keywords, Jacksonville history, and then I'm going to select the second option here that says library catalog because I'm interested in FSCJ holdings, in particular their ebooks. Great, so you can see that that search resulted in 302 results. But I am going to specify that I want ebooks. So in order to do this, we're going to use this limiter menu on the left-hand side to tweak our results. So I'm going to specify under resource type that I want books, and then also I want them to be ebooks. So I'm going to select under availability, available online, and then go ahead and click on apply filters. Fantastic, so that limits my results even further down to 31. So we have 31 ebooks available on this topic. And to access the book itself, we're going to click on Available Online. And then under Online Access Full Text Availability, you'll see that FSCJ Jacksonville has access. And it says click here to view this ebook. So we're going to do that. Okay, and this will open the ebook record on the vendor site. From here, we're going to click on PDF full text to load the entirety of the book. And with a little patience, it'll load for us. All right, and here is our book. Fantastic. You could skip ahead through the chapters, and also noteworthy is that you could search within the text as well by using this option here. I'd also like to point out that both our catalog and our databases have these features, these tools to make your life easier as a researcher. From the catalog, you can email yourself this ebook. You can generate a permalink so you could easily find this ebook again. They also have a citation tool. Depending on what citation style you're using, a machine generates a citation for this particular ebook. And also, please check citations for accuracy because they are known to have errors, so double check that. You could also print this out, and also you could, if you're using EndNote or EasyBib, these bibliography generators, you could send this ebook over to them. And like I mentioned, our databases also have these tools. They're in a slightly different location. They're over here on the right, but they also have the same functionality. So definitely utilize them. That concludes the ebook video demo. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Thanks so much.